Meaning of gaboon mahogany.
Gaboon mahogany.
Gaboon mahogany.
Gaboon mahogany.
Gaboon mahogany. Gaboon mahogany refers to a type of wood that is commonly used in the manufacturing of furniture, cabinetry, and decorative items. The wood is derived from the Kaya ivorensis tree, which is native to tropical Africa. Gaboon mahogany is prized for its beauty, durability, and resistance to decay, making it a popular choice for high-end products. The wood has a straight, fine-grained pattern and a reddish-brown color that deepens with age. It is also known for its ease of workability and its ability to hold intricate designs.